Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best altcoins to keep on your radar as we head into the end of 2024. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, these projects have some serious momentum behind them. We're talking about innovation, partnerships, and the potential to shape the future of the crypto space. Buckle up because this list is fire. Let's get into it. And before we get started, let's talk about the platforms you'll need to trade or invest in these coins. Two of the best platforms out there are Binance and OKX. While both are excellent, I recommend OKX for its simple user interface and wide variety of trading options. Plus, if you use the link in the description, you can register easily and potentially get some cool bonuses. So make sure to check that out. All right, first up is XRP, which continues to dominate headlines in the crypto space. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been laser-focused on revolutionizing cross-border payments. Their technology is being adopted by major banks and financial institutions worldwide to make international transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. After their major legal victory earlier this year, XRP gained even more legitimacy in the crypto world. And with their continued expansion into Asia and partnerships with central banks exploring CBDCs, XRP is cementing itself as a key player in global finance. Before I continue, I just want to thank Pay for sponsoring this video. It's the easiest way to manage your crypto. You can transfer your USDT or any other crypto from any exchange straight to Pay. Get a digital card and a physical card to use your crypto anytime, anywhere. Plus, when you sign up, you will get a free $5. Check out the link in the description. Next is Avalanche or AVAX. This is one blockchain that's really standing out for its speed and scalability. With its unique subnet architecture, Avalanche is giving developers more flexibility to build customized blockchains for specific use cases, whether it's gaming, DeFi, or enterprise applications. What's exciting right now is Avalanche's growing ecosystem, especially in DeFi. Big names like Ava Labs are pushing partnerships with major institutions, and there's growing talk about its role in tokenizing real-world assets like stocks and bonds. This project is definitely one to watch. Coming in hot, we have Toncoin, the crypto that's deeply integrated with Telegram. With over 800 million active Telegram users, Toncoin is positioned to bring crypto adoption to the masses. It's focused on fast and low-cost transactions, which makes it a great fit for payments and tipping within the Telegram app. There's also been a ton of buzz about new features like staking and the potential integration of NFTs. The team behind Toncoin is really leaning into making crypto accessible to everyday users, and I think that could be a game changer. Moving on, let's talk about Celo. This is a project that's all about mobile-first crypto adoption. Their mission is to make crypto accessible to people in developing countries where traditional banking services are limited. Celo's focus on stablecoins pegged to local currencies is super innovative, allowing users to send and receive funds easily on mobile devices. Recently, they've partnered with several global organizations to expand their reach, and they're pushing hard into sustainable and eco-friendly blockchain initiatives. Now we've got Aptos, a layer 1 blockchain that's been making waves for its next-gen scalability and security. Aptos is built by a team of former Meta engineers who worked on the Deem project, so you know these guys know their stuff. What makes Aptos exciting is its developer-friendly ecosystem and its ability to handle high transaction volumes without sacrificing security. They've been securing partnerships with gaming and NFT projects, and their goal is to become the go-to blockchain for Web3 innovation. Next up is Cosmos, often referred to as the Internet of blockchains. Cosmos is all about interoperability, which means connecting different blockchains so they can communicate with each other seamlessly. With the rise of multi-chain ecosystems, Cosmos is in a prime position to lead. Their inter-blockchain communication, IBC protocol, is already being used by some of the biggest projects in the crypto space. Plus, the Cosmos ecosystem is expanding rapidly with new dApps, staking opportunities, and DeFi platforms. Now let's talk about Notcoin, a lesser known but super intriguing project. This one is carving out a niche by focusing on digital identity verification and secure online interactions. In an era where privacy and data security are bigger concerns than ever, Notcoin is offering blockchain-based solutions to protect user data. They've been working with tech companies and governments to test pilot programs, and the feedback so far has been really promising. Definitely a sleeper project with big potential. On to TrueFi, one of the pioneers in uncollateralized lending in DeFi. Unlike other platforms that require users to lock up assets as collateral, TrueFi uses credit scores to issue loans, bringing a whole new level of efficiency to crypto lending. Their partnerships with institutional borrowers are growing, and the platform has seen steady adoption in the DeFi space. As crypto continues to mature, projects like TrueFi are paving the way for more sophisticated financial products. And finally, Filecoin. If you're into Web3, this is one project you can't ignore. Filecoin is the backbone of decentralized storage, allowing users to store, retrieve, and share data without relying on centralized servers. With the explosion of dApps, NFTs, and other blockchain technologies, decentralized storage is becoming a huge deal. Filecoin's partnerships with major tech firms and its role in hosting data for blockchain projects make it a critical piece of the Web3 puzzle. Plus, their recent push into AI-focused storage solutions is a fascinating development. Now let's talk about Gala, a powerhouse in the blockchain gaming space. Gala is focused on creating a decentralized gaming ecosystem where players truly own their in-game assets. Their lineup of blockchain games is growing, with titles spanning multiple genres, from RPGs to simulations. What's exciting is their partnerships with major gaming studios and their push into music and film NFTs. Gala is not just about gaming anymore. It's becoming a broader entertainment platform built on blockchain technology. If you believe in the future of Web3 entertainment, Gala is one to watch. And there you have it, my top altcoin picks to watch before 2024 ends. These projects aren't just hype. They're solving real problems and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the crypto world. Which of these coins are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future updates. We've got more content coming to help you make the most of this wild crypto market. Until next time, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.